Hello again, Doug Noll here, and in this video, I'm going to share with you 3 practices that will show you how to use your emotions to think. So first of all, there are 3 types of thinking. The first is called emotional reasoning. Emotional reasoning is the belief that when you feel something to be true, it must be true. And emotional reasoning creates an emotional truth which may be in direct conflict with an opposite perceptual truth. For example, you might say, I feel like a nerd. Emotional reasoning would have you believe I am a nerd. So when you engage in emotional reasoning, it's your emotions that are being converted into thoughts and beliefs. And of course, this kind of thinking can be very, very dangerous. Our perceptions cause emotion. Emotions are not thoughts, and emotions are not caused by other people, things, or events. Emotions guide us. They don't control us. So you have to learn how to distinguish emotions from thoughts. The second kind of thinking is called automatic thinking. Automatic thoughts are images or mental activity arising as a response to a trigger like an action or an event. They come in 3 flavors. The first is neutral. So for example, it's my turn in line. Well, normally that would be just a neutral feeling and a neutral statement, a neutral thought. You could also have a positive automatic thought, such as I'm excited to be here today. And you can have a negative automatic thought, such as nobody likes me. Automatic thoughts have emotions that are attached to them, and the way that you change your automatic thought is by changing the emotion. So if you change the emotion, you change the thought. It's that simple. So for example, supposing you're about to give a performance or give a talk or go into a meeting and you're saying to yourself, I'm nervous, I'm going to blow it. Well, that's an automatic negative thought. All you have to do is change the perception by simply changing how you frame this automatic thought, and it becomes positive and powerful. I'm excited about performing today. I'm excited about sharing my information. I'm excited about going to this meeting. And your body doesn't know the difference between nervousness and excitement. It's all about how you perceive the situation, and that's what makes the difference. And finally, we get to deliberative thinking, which is what most of us think of when we think about thinking. Deliberative thinking is the reflective process of interpreting, analyzing, and evaluating information, things, and situations. It's slow, it's obviously deliberate, it can be very painful, and it tends to be very methodical. Unlike emotional reasoning and automatic thinking, deliberative thinking is very structured. So for example, you could define an issue, and as you think about what the issue is that you have to confront, you have to go very slowly and think about what it is that is causing the problem so that you can define the issue. And that slow exploration is deliberate. Then you have to find data. Searching the data is a very deliberative process. Where do you find the data? What does the data mean? How do I understand this data? Then you've got to look at what are the criteria that I'm going to use for making a decision. And you may have to have a number of criteria that you develop, all through deliberate thinking. And then you have to generate options. What are my choices in front of me? And how do I go about deciding which option to choose? And then finally, you always have to ask the question, what if I'm wrong? So this is a typical deliberative thinking process. There are many others, but this is a very common one for problem solving. And each step is informed by emotion. When you're looking at the issue, you're going to be looking at what is salient or what is emotionally important to you. Now, most of the time when we're looking at issues, we're not thinking about how do I feel about this. But one of the things that you want to do as you are using your emotions to help your thinking is to ask yourself, what do I feel about this issue? What are the emotions that I feel when I think about this problem? As you are able to recognize and articulate your emotions and even write them down, it will help you understand why the issue is important to you. When you're looking at data, you have to go through a process of inclusion and exclusion. Which data are you going to include in your analysis, and which data are you going to exclude from your analysis? This is an emotionally driven process. So for example, if you're unconscious about your emotions, you might only include data that you feel good about and exclude data that makes you feel unpleasant. So you have to pay attention to your data investigation process and ask yourself, what emotions or feelings am I experiencing around this process as I do my research? When you're looking at criteria, you ask the question, does this feel right? When I'm trying to decide how I'm going to make a good decision, that process is all going to be driven by emotion. Likewise, when you generate your options, you can be sucked into the problem, what feels good. It may be that the best option is what doesn't feel good. So you have to be very careful and be very aware of your emotions as you are generating options. And finally, you always have to ask the question, what if I'm wrong? And here you have to actually trigger fear as an emotion to help you go back and analyze the previous 4 steps to see whether or not you've missed something. So you can see that in each of these steps, using your emotions is a very powerful tool for helping you get clear about your thinking. So we need an intact and functioning emotional system in order for our reason to have the possibility of operating appropriately in any given situation. Without emotions, we can't think. Now, if we simply rely on emotions, then we can't think either. So we have to use our emotions in conjunction with deliberative thinking in order to get to the best results. Here's what you need to do. Beef up your concept of emotion. What's the difference between having 2 emotions and having 50 emotions? So think about this. Supposing you only had 2 emotions. One emotion was, I don't feel crappy today, and the other emotion is, I feel crappy today. Supposing those are the only 2 emotions you had, how would you be able to navigate through life except by saying, I'm either not feeling crappy or I'm feeling crappy? You couldn't make really fine-tuned, precise decisions based on those 2 emotions. So what you want to do is divide all of your emotional experience into as many subcategories, or as neuroscientist Lisa Feldman Barrett calls it, emotional granularization. Granularize your emotions into as many refined different descriptions of your different emotions as you possibly can. Because the more refined you can be in your emotion, the more you can bring that granularity to bear on your decision making. When you are in the decision making process and you're doing deliberative thinking, be able to recategorize how you feel. So if you feel excited, maybe you want to recategorize it to anxious, or if you're anxious, the other way around. Or if you're saying, if you're back to the I feel crappy phase, or I don't feel crappy, if you feel crappy, then you want to refine that emotion. What exactly do you feel? Oh, I'm anxious. I'm concerned. I'm worried. I'm a little irritated. I'm annoyed. I'm feeling unappreciated. I'm feeling disrespected. I'm not feeling supported. You notice how as I use those more refined words, I get much more precise information about just exactly what it is I'm experiencing that informs my decision-making process. So learn how to use your emotions to think. Don't think with your emotions. So my name is Doug Noll. I'm a lawyer turned peacemaker. I'm an author, speaker, trainer, and visionary, and I'm the co-founder of the Prison of Peace Project. I have dedicated my life to helping others live fulfilled lives. I offer individualized training and coaching to a select group of clients. And if you'd like to set up a call to explore the possibilities, email me at doug@dougnoll.com. And sign up for the Basic Emotional Competency course at https://dougnoll.co emotional-competency to learn more about the skills that I've talked about today. And if you like this video, give me a like and subscribe to the channel. We'll see you next time.